All right, today we're going to do a video of a Haas ST-20. It's new in 2017, serial number 3107642. It has the Haas Bar Feeder, has a Haas control, chip conveyor, coolant system. It has a 12-position turret. We're going to run it now. We'll start with the axes. That's your Z. You have X. Get Z out of the way. You also have your tailstock. Send that back. I'm going to index the turret. Again, it's a 12-position turret. Nope. Rapid was turned down. Both directions. We are going to run the spindle over here. That's 1,000. That's 1,500. It has a collet chuck mounted right now. There's also a chuck with the machine as well. That's 2,200 RPM. All right, we'll do the touch probe. All four sides work. Put that back. Then we're going to do the parts catcher.